In 2026, something massive is happening behind the scenes of the tech world, but almost no one is talking about it. Why are Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and Oracle quietly spending hundreds of billions of dollars on something most people can't even see? And more importantly, who is going to win what might be the biggest tech race in human history? Because what they're building right now could completely reshape the future of AI, jobs, and even power itself. So before you scroll away, watch till the end because the answer might change how you see the entire tech world. Welcome to Chrono AI Titan, your gateway to the future. Get the latest AI breakthroughs, robotics innovations, and emerging tech shaping tomorrow. This is where the future starts. Like and subscribe to stay ahead of it. Let's talk about why.
The why, the infrastructure bottleneck. To understand this race, you need to understand the real limitation of AI in 2026. It's not just algorithms, it's infrastructure. Modern AI systems require massive clusters of advanced chips, enormous data centers, and huge amounts of electricity and cooling just to operate. And that's where the real bottleneck is forming. Not software, but physical capacity, power grids, land, cooling systems, and chip supply chains. That's why these companies are increasingly behaving less like software firms and more like energy and infrastructure companies. They are signing long-term energy contracts, expanding data center regions, and exploring new power sources to support growing AI demand. Because without energy and compute, even the most advanced AI systems simply cannot run at scale.
Let's take a look at the five companies investing billions to shape the future of AI.
Alphabet, Google. Google's strategy is built around vertical integration and efficiency. Unlike competitors who rely heavily on third-party chips, Google has spent years developing its own AI hardware, known as Tensor Processing Units, or TPUs. This allows Google to tightly integrate hardware and software, optimizing performance and reducing dependency on external suppliers like NVIDIA for certain workloads. At the same time, Google is scaling its global data center infrastructure to support both its cloud platform, Google Cloud, and its internal AI systems. A major advantage for Google is its research leadership in artificial intelligence, particularly through DeepMind and Google Research. This allows the company to directly translate breakthroughs in AI models into improvements in infrastructure efficiency and deployment. In simple terms, Google is not just building infrastructure for AI. It is building infrastructure that is designed to be smarter, faster, and more optimized for AI workloads from the ground up. Microsoft. Microsoft's AI strategy is centered around one thing: enterprise integration. Rather than building infrastructure purely as a cloud provider, Microsoft is positioning itself as the bridge between AI systems and everyday business tools. Through Azure, Microsoft provides large-scale cloud infrastructure that supports some of the most advanced AI models in the world, including its close partnership with OpenAI. But the real strength of Microsoft's strategy lies in distribution. By embedding AI capabilities directly into products like Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, Teams, and Windows, Microsoft is turning AI into a standard feature of modern work environments. This means AI is not something users go out of their way to access. It becomes part of the workflow itself. From writing documents to analyzing data to automating communication, Microsoft's goal is to make AI a native layer of productivity. In this way, Azure becomes not just a cloud platform, but the operational backbone for enterprise AI adoption. Meta platforms. Meta's approach is different from the other players. Instead of focusing primarily on enterprise cloud infrastructure, Meta is focused on consumer-scale AI systems and engagement optimization. The company operates some of the largest social platforms in the world, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. For Meta, AI is primarily a tool to improve recommendation systems, content ranking, and advertising efficiency. Even small improvements in these systems can translate into massive financial impact due to the scale of user engagement and ad revenue. Meta is also investing in open source AI models and research, aiming to make its ecosystem more accessible to developers and researchers. At the same time, it is building infrastructure to support large scale AI training and deployment across its platforms. The goal is not just to build AI systems, but to integrate them deeply into how billions of people consume content every day. Oracle. Oracle takes a more specialized position in the AI infrastructure landscape. Rather than competing directly in consumer platforms, Oracle focuses on high performance cloud infrastructure for enterprise and AI workloads. Its cloud services are designed to handle demanding computing environments, particularly for large scale AI training and data heavy applications. Oracle has also positioned itself as a key infrastructure partner in several large-scale AI initiatives and collaborations, including multi-company efforts to expand AI computing capacity. Its strategy is to become the preferred provider for organizations that require high-performance, secure, and scalable computing environments. In a market dominated by a few hyperscale cloud providers, Oracle is carving out its role as a focused infrastructure specialist, especially for workloads that require reliability and raw performance.
The last one is Amazon. Amazon is focused on one core strategy: scaling and dominating infrastructure. AWS is currently the world's largest cloud computing provider, with strength built on its global reach and mature enterprise ecosystem. Instead of focusing only on AI models, Amazon is doubling down on the foundation those models run on: cloud infrastructure, storage, compute, and networking. Its goal is to make AWS the default backbone for startups, enterprises, and even governments, ensuring that any need for AI training, deployment, or compute power is already covered within its ecosystem. Amazon is also investing in custom silicon like Trainium and Inferentia to reduce the cost of AI workloads. The aim is to remain the default utility layer of the internet in the AI era.
While each of these companies has a different strategy, they are all converging on the same reality. Artificial intelligence is no longer just software. It is becoming an infrastructure industry built on data centers, energy systems, specialized chips, and global scale networks. And the companies that control that infrastructure will not just influence the AI era, they will define how it operates. Others warn it could resemble an infrastructure cycle that grows faster than near-term demand. At the same time, power consumption, chip supply constraints, and environmental pressures are becoming real challenges for expansion. The outcome depends on one key uncertainty: how fast AI moves from tools that assist humans to systems that perform real work autonomously at scale. What we are witnessing is not just a tech upgrade, it is a global infrastructure transition. The companies building this layer are not just competing for market share, they are competing to define the foundation of the next digital economy. And the real question is not only who wins this race, but how quickly these systems begin to reshape work, industries, and decision-making itself. Because whether we notice it or not, the future is already being built at trillion-dollar scale. With this level of investment, a major question is emerging across the industry and financial markets. Can AI infrastructure spending keep growing at this pace and eventually generate enough economic return to justify it? Some analysts see this as the foundation of a new industrial revolution.
Right now, calling the winner is nearly impossible. Who's your pick? Comment below.